Good morning, Frugal friends. The snow has arrived. Yes, we are still going out to the bins. The van is warming up. I do not think we'll get very far. Maybe just the first dumpster stop. I don't see us doing the whole route, not with the snow still going and the plows haven't even been out yet. We are back in the dumpster van. So good to have my diving van again. Reagan just finished breakfast and is coming to get in the car with me. In fact, there he is. Reagan, ready for work. All right, so like I said, I don't think we're gonna get very far, but we're gonna do what we can do. You gotta be at a certain level of dedication and insanity, possibly even addiction, to get out in this weather to dumpster dive. Guys, this is for you. One of the good things about it being a snowstorm while we're coming out is you're just not likely to see anyone around, which is good. The bad thing is this. Everything is covered in snow. So whatever might be in here is gonna be more difficult to find if they didn't shut the lids on their bins. And even if they did shut them, getting them open can be tricky because they're covered in snow. This is a craft store. Oh, look at all that. All kinds of foam, flower foam. The rest of it mostly looks like packing material, but we're gonna grab that foam and I don't know, we'll explore a little. Looks like there's a few other things in that bag too. Okay, just a couple of little goodies to start out the morning. We're definitely gonna hit at least one more. So, what do you think, Frugal friends? On these days that it's like snowstorm and craziness and madness and takes us an hour to get anywhere and then only to find very little actual stuff, actual treasures. What if on days like this we hit up the thrift stores and see what treasures we can find there? Let us know in the comments if that is something that you would be interested in throughout the winter to take the place of our Sunday dumpster dives when it's just sketchy like today. And I mean, we've been really careful and gone really slow and everything, but it's not a very efficient or very safe use of our time on Sundays. And as much as I love dumpster diving, it's not worth risking mine or my children's lives over. I want to have show for you though. I want to have something for you and for myself. So let's think about thrift stores. Tell me your thoughts in the comments, and I will, depending on what you guys say, yeah, I can definitely get on a regular schedule of hitting up the thrift stores, doing some hunting for treasures, whether it's just good deals for things in the home or for resale. I have a pretty good knowledge of things that are worth buying for resale, and I would be happy to share that kind of information with you, give you an idea of what to be on the lookout for and how much you should pay for something and how much it can potentially sell for, things like that. I'd be happy to do. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. This is a Michael's bin. Wondering what that wooden thing is. I definitely want to check that out. And of course, we've got to see what's under the snow. Oh, the fun of diving in the snow. So it looks like it's some dumping, and I'm thinking there might be some stuff in here for us. Already, there's a black light bulb, 2 black light bulbs. I'm gonna have to look through this a little bit. It's a little messy, but you never know what is in these ones where people have dumped treasures, well, potential treasures galore. So there were a few little goodies in there. You'll have to come back Wednesday for our humble little reveal. Reagan. Reggie, We are stopping at our P.O. box to see if there is anything waiting for us from any of you fabulous frugal friends. We are still very much in the midst of the 3,000 postcard drive, so if you would like to contribute a postcard to the wall, look for our P.O. box address in the video description. Whew, it took forever to get up here, just having to drive slow. And it looks like they've cleaned the yard waste again. But where we've worked so hard to get up here, I'm going to do a little bit of looking anyway, because gotta make it worth our effort, right? This is what I'm talking about, just everything covered in snow. This is some pretty fabric, but it's just really small scraps. Oh, this is fun. Bunch of stickers and scrapbooking paper, a whole bunch of fun stickers, some pom-poms. Looks like a whole kind of crafting setup. Just grab as many of these as I can. There's also some ribbon. Whole bunch of little gift tags. All right, Reagan, come here, buddy. As long as I don't ruin everything with snow. That's like food stuff. They having a party or something? One more bag that I want to check. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to make like a headband out of that. Here, Reggie. You hold that for me? Oh, that sucks. I gotta show you guys this. I mean, it's obvious why they threw it away. Hold on. One of these measuring things, but it's totally broken. See that? That's a bummer. This looks like it's from their framing efforts. There's like photo matting and stuff like that. A little tube. Should we dig any more? I mean, we're here. Took forever to get up here, having to drive so slow. I think that'll probably be it. This is a Zurcher's bin. Reagan's gonna test the snow to see if it's good snowball snow, whilst I look in here. There is some stuff. I'm gonna have to grab the rake and see what these things are under the snow. of these. Two unopened boxes of plastic knives. This is fun. Party, one of those party thingies to hold like balloons. Always clean up after yourself. Oh yeah? Yeah. This is a dollar store bin. Looks like mostly packaging. See what I was saying about the lids being really heavy? Yeah, covered in snow. Oy. So, frustrations. We are on our way home and the van is starting to act up again. Same thing that it was doing in St. George, and it smells bad. Like it smells like something's burning. I don't know what is going on. This is incredibly frustrating. What to do? What to do? I don't know if we should take it back in. I don't know. I mean, the place that worked on it is closed today, so I don't know. But an interesting thing, it seems like, because when we were driving in when we got stuck in St. George, it wasn't acting really bad until we'd been driving for a while, and we've been driving for like an hour and a half today, and it had no problems until just barely. So I'm wondering if it's just after it's been driving a while or something. We stopped at a Shopko store. We were looking for snow boots and snow pants for Reagan, but they did not have anything. Yeah. Well, yeah, Mimi has them. We were looking for Olivia too. Anyway, what I did end up finding were these little DC toys. We also needed to let the van cool off because I was nervous to drive it for too far of a distance. So we stopped and played around in the store while letting the van cool down. But anyway, found all these little DC steel, die-cast metal things, and I looked them up on eBay. Just a sec, Pookie. And it looks like they will be good for resale. I got them for 76 cents each, which was a steal of a deal. That is all we have got for you today. We are going to get this van home and figure out what we're doing next. The snow has not stopped, and we've got cocoa and warm coffee waiting for us, so we're going to do it. Reagan, say goodbye.
Bye.